to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about DNA virus, bacteriophage and RNA virus TMU. Part 3rd. DNA virus, bacteriophage. Virus particle which attacks on bacteria are called bacteriophage. The term phage in Greek language means to eat, or simply bacteriophage are the eaters of bacteria. In 1915, Friedrich Torf found viral infection to bacteria, and in 1917, Felix Herel called it as bacteriophages. Size of bacteriophage particle varies from 10 to 100 nanometer in diameter and 10 to 900 nanometer in length. The virus which infect on Escherichia coli bacterium they named as T series phages. The T phages are the icosahedral head and tail. The T phage may be T even phage or T odd phage. T even phages are T2, T4, T6, etc. while T odd phages are T1, T3, T7, etc. T4 bacteriophage. T4 bacteriophage belongs to T even series. It encodes more or less 200 genes. It has a double-stranded DNA. T4 bacteriophage infect the Escherichia coli bacteria, which is naturally found abundant in sewage containing fecal matter. T4 bacteriophage was first reported and isolated by Max Delbruck in 1944. It is a complex virus composed of three distinct parts via head, neck, and tail. Appears like tadpole larva shape with binal symmetry. It has molecular weight of 110 millions. Let us study the structure of T4 bacteriophage. The T4 bacteriophage has three distinct parts: head, neck, and tail. Head, it is elongated, bipyramidal, hexagonal, prismatic in shape. It is with capsid protein and centrally placed DNA. Head measures about 95 nanometer in length and 65 nanometer in width. Each capsid made up of 152 capsomeres, each capsomere with 13 monomeres. Thus, there are 1976 subunits in a capsid. Neck, head and the tail is connected with each other by short tube called as neck. It is also known as head-tail connector. It has collar attached with several whiskers which hold and fold fibers around the tail region. Tail, it consists of elongated tubular structure, comprises 113 nanometer in length and 16 nanometer in diameter. Tail is more complex than head, having contractile sheath surrounds the tube. Tail is made up of 24 rings. Free end of tail terminates into base plate, which is hexagonal in shape and has tail pin at each corner with 6 tail fibers of 10 nanometer in length and 2 nanometer in diameter. Function of tail. Tail attaches and recognizes specific receptor site. Let us discuss about lytic cycle of T4 bacteriophage. Bacterial cell can cause two types of infection by viruses, named as lytic infection caused by T4 bacteriophage and lysogenic infection caused by phage lambda particle. The life cycle of T4 bacteriophage. The T4 bacteriophage is a virulent virus and follows lytic cycle during its multiplication. In lytic cycle, a lytic phase infects and kills the host cell to release progenivirions. Lytic cycle involves following steps: first adsorption, second penetration, third replication, and fourth lysis. Let us discuss in detail. Look at the diagram. Step 1, adsorption or infection. Observe the figure 1. The lytic cycle begins with a collision between T phage viron and a susceptible host cell, that is Escherichia coli. The process of attachment of a virion on the host cell surface is called adsorption. The tips of tail fibers binds and adsorb to specific receptors on the surface of E. coli. Step 2, penetration or injection. Observe the figure 2. The tail fibers of virion bends to bring the spikes and basal plate in contact with the surface of bacterial wall. The tail sheath contracts so that the hollow tail core, that is inner tube, penetrates the bacterial wall and injects the viral genome into the cytoplasm. After penetration, the empty capsid that remains outside the bacterium is called the ghost or donut. Step second, replication. Observe the figure from 3 to 5. Immediately after penetration, the fast DNA, that is genome, synthesizes early protein. Some early proteins break down the bacterial, that is host DNA, and take the control of the bacterial cell machinery. The other early proteins uses as enzymes for replication of fast DNA. The newly synthesized fast DNA produces late proteins, which are the protein subunits of the phage capsids, head and tail. The capsid proteins assembles to form empty head and a condensed viral DNA is packed inside it. Finally, the separated assembled tail joins to head to form a daughter or a progeny viron. Step 4. Lysis or release. Observe the figure 6. During assembly of progeny virons, the bacterial cell becomes spherical. The phage enzymes weakens the cell wall, which ultimately bursts or lies to release about 100 to 200 progeny virons. Let us discuss about lysogenic cycle of lambda phage. The phage that exhibit lysogenic cycle are called temperate phage or non-virulent phages. For example, lambda phage attacking E. coli. During lysogenic cycle, the phage DNA integrates into bacterial DNA and is now called as prophage. The host bacterium containing prophage is called as lysogenic bacterium or lysogen. Lambda phage do not kill the bacterium immediately, but the progeny passively replicates along with the host DNA for many generations. When a lysogenic bacterium exposed to UV light or a chemical, the prophage withdraws from the host DNA to undergo lytic cycle. The conversion of a prophage into lytic phage is called induction. Let us discuss the difference between lytic and lysogenic cycle. This diagram represents the difference between lytic and lysogenic cycle. During lytic cycle, the T4 bacteriophage causes lysis of host bacterium, while in lysogenic cycle, no lysis of host bacterium. In lytic cycle, involve virulent phage, while in lysogenic cycle, it involves no virulent temperate phage. In lytic cycle, viral genome remains free after infection, while in lysogenic cycle, viral genome gets integrated with bacterial genome. In lytic cycle, no prophage formation, while in lysogenic cycle, there is prophage formation. In lytic cycle, synthesis of capsid and replication of viral genome inside bacterium using bacterial cellular machinery, while in lysogenic cycle, viral genome replicates along with bacterial genome. In lytic cycle, packing of viral genome in capsid coat forming many viral particles inside the host cell, ultimately causing lysis of host cell. While in lysogenic cycle, viral genome remains in prophage. Let us discuss about the RNA virus, that is tobacco mosaic virus. In 1886, Adolf Meyer first reported and described tobacco mosaic virus from Holland, and in 1892 in Russia by Ivanovsky. In 1935, tobacco mosaic virus was purified and crystallized by Stanley. Tobacco mosaic virus is a positive single-stranded RNA virus. It infects tobacco plant along with members of family Solanaceae. Mosaic means molting and discoloration on leaves. This virus is also known as Nicotiana virus first. TMV primarily infect tobacco and tomato plants, causes mosaic symptoms. Let us discuss about morphology and structure of tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus is an important plant virus, cause mosaic disease in tobacco plant. It produces symptoms such as molting and discoloration on leaves, hence name given as mosaic. It is cellular ultramicroscopic rod-shaped stiff virus, measures 300 nanometer in length and 15 to 18 nanometer in diameter with radius 9 nanometer. TMV consists of a central lumen or a hole which is 4 nanometer in diameter with centrally placed RNA covered with protein coat. The TMV protein coat is with 2130 proton subunits, that is capsomeres. They were arranged around single-stranded RNA in helical manner. 16 one-third capsomeres are found per ton of RNA helix. TMV viruses shows presence of 130 turns in helix and RNA strands forms a single-handed helix. 49 subunits, namely capsomeres, are found in every 3 turns of a helix. In TMV, there is a presence of 5% nucleic acid and 95% of protein. Let us discuss the transmission and replication of TMV. TMV is a SAP transmissible virus, enters through host wound, caused by insect, agricultural machinery, rubbing of leaves, or naturally due to wind flow or movement of animals or man. It is not transmitted by any insect vector. Replication of TMV. Multiplication rate of TMV is 1 million per 24 hours. Replication of TMV. It is carried out by various steps. Look at the figure. Diagram A represents the viral particle entering inside the cell of the host plant. Figure B and C, viral RNA enters inside the nucleus and synthesis its complementary copy. Figure D and E, complementary RNA synthesis new viral RNA that comes in the cytoplasm. Figure F, polypeptide chain synthesis. From figure G to I, arrangement of capsomeres around viral RNA. Figure G, complete virus particle. K, host cell containing many virus particles. Let us discuss about the symptoms caused by TMV and its management. Symptoms caused by TMV. The first symptoms on young leaves shows various degree of vein clearing, chlorosis, mottling, curling, dwarfing of entire plant, leaf deformation and reduction in size, distortion, etc. Management of TMV. Use of clean, certified, healthy seeds, farm equipments decontaminated with 3% trisodium phosphate. Workers are advised to wash hands with soap before work. Alternate hosts or weeds should be removed. Use of resistant variety. So with the help of these management, we can control the tobacco mosaic virus disease on different plants. So this is all about DNA virus, bacteriophage and RNA virus TMV.